Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pop-it fidget toy. So the materials are clear tape, an X-Acto knife and the scissors, a cutting board, 4 different colors of color paper of your choice, 1 foam paper or a thick paper. So let's get started. So first I finished cutting a palette shape with that foam paper. I'm going to put 4 circles for the popping fid toy. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now I'm going to cut it out. First I'm going to cut it like a pizza so you can cut it more easily. Like a pizza, I'm going to cut it. Be careful when you're using X-Acto knife. Now I'm going to do it to the 4 circles. Now, after doing that, I'm gonna cut the circles and show you. Okay, I finished cutting it, and now let's start the fidget toy. First, I took the orange paper and colored the circle with an orange highlighter. Now I'm gonna put clear tape on top of that. Now I'm gonna cut the circle. Okay, I finished cutting 4 circles. Now we should take 1 circle and put a slit cut on the side, and I'm gonna make it as a cone and shape it down in the side. Okay, now let's assemble all of the pieces. Now I'm going to take 1 cone and I'm going to tape it in the back side with the clear tape. Be sure to tape it nicely so we can pop it every day. So I finished taping it. Now I'm going to take a black pen. Now I'm going to draw a cute face. I'm going to draw it lightly. So after that I'm going to do it with a blue or black permanent marker. Okay, now I'm going to mark it with a permanent marker. 1. Okay, now I'm going to put hearts in the side. Okay, now our fidget toy is ready, so I'm going to show it. Okay, it pops nicely and it unpops. So guys, if you like this video, please smash that subscribe button and see you in the next video. Bye.